Ulrika Jonsson has shared her thoughts on Hollywood romance in her latest column. The star has admitted she thinks divorce should always be an option as she weighed in on the news that Megan Fox and rapper Machine Gun Kelly got engaged. The pair shared their proposal earlier this week on social media as Kelly got down on one knee in a beautiful garden. However, not everything was conventional about the proposal, as the pair later shared they drank each other's blood to celebrate the union. Kelly also designed an engagement ring which was designed to hurt to take it off. He told Vogue on January 17, "The bands are actually thorns. So if she tries to take it off, it hurts. Love is pain." Now Jonsson has shared her thoughts on the news, admitting she found it creepy. Writing in The Sun today, she penned, "Rapper Machine Gun Kelly has described how the engagement ring he helped design for his fiancée, actress Megan Fox has a band made of thorns, so, if she tries to take it off, it hurts." The couple also supposedly drank each other's blood after his proposal. "That'll do it then, they'll never divorce. Except I'm not sure I've heard of a creepier, more controlling message, that you make it beast or difficult for your partner to leave if things go belly up, to give out as you stand on the threshold of your married life." Jonsson went on to share how she's a firm believer in marriage, as well as divorce. She admitted how she feels there should be an option for no-fault divorce as a mature reaction to marriages that end. The television presenter has been married 3 times and has 4 children. Her first marriage was to cameraman John Turnbull in 1990 before they divorced in 1995. She later married a contestant on a dating show called Lance Gerard Wright. They wed in 2003 and were together until 2006. Jonsson then married American advertising executive Brian Monet in March 2008. They later divorced in 2019. The star has recently begun starring on the E4 series Celebs Go Dating. This sees her working with celebrity dating experts and going on dates in the weekly show. Speaking as she joined the show, she admitted she didn't think she'd be still single. She told Channel 4, "3 years ago I got divorced, I hadn't anticipated being single at my age.